So, check this out. I'm always tinkering in the workshop, but lately, I've been obsessed with artificial intelligence. Everyone says AI is going to change the world, but I wondered, could a regular person with no coding skills and less than $50 use AI to build a real business? That's the challenge. Launch a profitable side hustle using AI for less than the cost of a new video game. I wanted to document every step, from idea to first dollar earned, so you could follow along or even try it yourself. We'll pick a business, assemble a cheap AI toolkit, set up services, find customers for free, and automate the whole thing. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about starting small, learning, and building confidence. You don't need to be a tech genius. If you can write an email, you're good. I'll show you the exact tools, prices, and profits, so you see every detail. AI isn't just for Silicon Valley. It's a tool anyone can use. Let's build a business from scratch. Ready? Let's do this. Every project starts with an idea, but instead of brainstorming, I went straight to ChatGPT. I asked, what simple online businesses can someone start for under $50 using AI? The AI suggested things like social media content, blog writing, and logo design. But one idea stood out: AI-powered resume and cover letter writing. Everyone needs a job, and most people hate writing resumes. It's stressful, and they're willing to pay for help. AI is perfect for this. It can analyze job descriptions, spot keywords, and rewrite resumes in seconds. My job? Guide the AI and add the human touch. No inventory, no shipping, no office, just a laptop and smart tools. The problem was clear, the solution was practical, and the potential was huge. With my $50 startup idea in hand, it was time to assemble the tools. This is where the budget really gets put to the test. Let's see if I can pull it off. With my business idea set, I needed tools on a strict $50 budget. First, I got ChatGPT Plus for $20 faster, smarter, and perfect for writing resumes and cover letters. Next, I needed a professional website. Building from scratch was out, so I used Car drag and drop, super simple, and just $9 for a year. For credibility, I bought a custom domain AIResumeRefresh.com for $9. That's my AI writer website and domain for a total of $48. No fancy tech, no hidden fees, just the essentials. The barrier to entry has never been lower. With my AI super team assembled, I was ready to build my service packages. Time to open for business. Let's see if anyone bites. And yes, I still had $2 left for coffee. The real test starts now. Let's go. Tools in hand, I needed something to sell. I created 3 simple packages: Resume Refresh for $39, Career Kickstarter for $79, and the Ultimate Job Hunter for $129. The entry package was a quick AI-powered resume upgrade. The mid-tier added a custom cover letter and LinkedIn guide. The premium package included a full rewrite, 2 cover letters, and a one-on-one call. Clear, affordable, and easy to understand. With my offers live on my new site, I was officially open for business. My shop was open, but I needed customers and my budget was gone. I turned to free marketing Reddit and LinkedIn, where job seekers hang out. On Reddit, I gave real resume feedback in RR resumes and RR jobs, ending with a soft mention of my service. On LinkedIn, I joined conversations, offered tips, and posted advice about beating resume bots. No spam, just value and a gentle nudge to my site. After a week, my first order came in a $39 resume refresh. The client loved it and left a glowing testimonial. That social proof was gold. More orders trickled in. 10 clients in the first month. 4 chose the entry package, 5 picked the mid-tier, and 1 went all in on the premium. The hustle was working. Free marketing, real value, and a little patience paid off. Now, I needed to make the process even smoother. 10 clients in, I realized I needed automation fast. My goal: deliver high-quality results in less time. Clients filled out a form, uploaded their resume, and shared the job link. I used a master ChatGPT prompt: act as a professional resume writer, analyze, rewrite, and optimize for this job. The AI did most of the work in a minute. I edited the draft, polished the language, and formatted the final PDF. Cover letters, same process, AI first, then my touch. Each order took less than 30 minutes, fast, efficient, and profitable. I even automated delivery emails with templates. The business ran like a machine. AI as the engine, me as the pilot. More clients, less stress. That's the power of AI automation. Was it worth it? Spoiler, yes. After 1 month, let's look at the numbers. 10 clients, 4 at $30, 5 at $79, 1 at $129, total revenue $680. Startup costs, just $48. Net profit, $630 in my spare time. No ads, no inventory, no hidden fees. This experiment proved you don't need a big budget or tech skills to launch a real business with AI. The steps: brainstorm with AI, assemble cheap tools, create simple offers, use free marketing, and automate delivery. It's a blueprint anyone can follow. AI is just getting started. The opportunities are massive. What will you build? Drop your AI business ideas in the comments. If you like this experiment, let me know. Thanks for watching.